Christmas is something I have always enjoyed the most during the winter times. If I recall a beautiful childhood memory where we friends used to meet and my father used to guide us in drawing a huge Santa Claus on the road with chalk. And those memories are very precious and delightful to me. During Christmas, we do give presents and cards to our loved ones. And greeting cards are something I enjoy making the most. Hey everybody, welcome back to my new class. Myself Rutvik Patel. I am a self-taught independent artist based in Gujarat, India. I am also a professional interior designer. So people who might not be knowing me and had joined me recently can find most of my artworks being displayed on Instagram. I go by the name Shitraj Artisans. This class is absolutely suited for beginners and the theme is based on Christmas. So we are going to create 6 different cards based on Christmas theme. Creating different elements and assembling it together to form a beautiful card is amazing. What if you can create your own customized Christmas greeting card having different elements related to Christmas? It's been a while I have been exploring watercolors. So this class is going to be a beautiful combination of watercolors and craft. We will be starting with a base paper and I'll be giving you each and every detail about the measurements. We are going to learn how to use a rounder to draw a perfect circle. We'll be starting with a basic sketch on each and every individual element. I'll be giving you all the details about the watercolors that we are going to use. We are going to use different techniques for painting different elements in each and every card. Since it's a craft related project, so we are going to give each and every element a beautiful 3D effect. And we are also going to add minute details to the card. And we are going to use some easy calligraphy so that you can write your final message for Merry Christmas. No need to worry at all, I'll be taking you through each and every step in detail. So we are going to make 6 different cards. Christmas flowers, the cute Santa, Christmas lights, Santa socks, the Christmas wreath, and the Christmas bells. With each and every greeting card, you are going to learn different techniques based on craft as well as watercolors. And I'm very sure that you are going to learn something new and creative out of this class. This class is best suited for beginners and also intermediate and advanced level artists can try it. So if you are an art enthusiast and a Christmas lover, this class is definitely for you. And without any delay, go grab your art supplies and join me in this beautiful journey of Christmas cards.